Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to connect this CB certificate LED emergency driver to work with this LED downlight. Then it is with the internal LED driver. And we can see the wiring here, the live cable and the natural cable connects to the mains power, and here the output red and black connect to the LED light here, and the input here, the brown and blue cables connect to the mains power. And in order to control this LED light, we add the light switch from the input. Okay, when we connect the mains power, the LED light is working normally. When there is a power outage, the stator LED is blue. When the mains power is restored, it will back to the normal working.